Got the mini ice cream bar from just outside Mystic Man. I think they sell them at all the carts in the park. And it's like got yellow ice cream and pink ice cream, and in the back it has chocolate. It's like strawberry. I can't tell if the yellow is any different flavour. That's nice though. So we went to Main Street Bakery and picked up a few more snacks. Got the Pooh Bear donut. Cute. Let's give it a try. It reminds me more of like an ice bun than a donut. Like it's more like bready and doughy with like a sweet chocolate on top. But it's really nice. It's really yummy. Yummy. We also picked up the pineapple bread. How cute. And you could choose the filling. So I chose the custard filling. You could have ham and cheese or custard, I think. Okay, got no filling in that bit. That's just bread. That's so bit. Just custard in there. It doesn't taste like pineapple at all. It's just like a really like sweet crust on the top of the bread. It's really nice. That is nice. And then the last thing I picked up was an egg tart, which is like a Hong Kong speciality. Like this. It looks a bit like the Portuguese egg tarts that you get, like in Nando's at home. Let's give this one a go. Ooh, this is gonna go everywhere. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. It's just like pastry with a sweet filling. You can't really go wrong with that. Oh, I'm so sweaty, it's gross. They're all really nice. They're good snacks. Good snacks from the park. We're in Toy Story Land and I went to Jesse's snack roundup. I got this pineapple slush, it's got like a green jelly and like soft serve on top. Here you go.
變安仔嘅蹤影，繼續行動。Copy that. No visual report on Andy. Proceeding with training.
That just tastes like jelly. It doesn't really taste anything particular. The ice cream's really nice though, and it's so hot.
Recon Team Papa Delta, we have eyes on the prize. Over.
It's got like some mayo, but it looks like a flavored mayo.
我哋準備執行任務。We have Mission Tango Oscar Yankee underway.
It's like a chipotle mayo.
執行時間係09:00. Copy that.
No. We've come to the Royal Banquet Hall and I picked up these piggy pork buns, which look like little pigs. How cute are they? I'm going to give one a go and let you know what it's like. There we go. So these are the piggy pork buns. What flavour the pork is inside, but it's definitely got like a flavour with it. It's not just plain pork. And like a barbecue. They're nice though. These were 38 Hong Kong dollars, so like £3.80, so really not bad. Picked up this strawberry and chocolate mousse cake thing from the quick service in the hotel. It looks like Minnie Mouse. So cute. Give that one a go. Okay. It's nice. Really light mousse. Only a little bit of strawberry flavour. It's mainly chocolate. A little bit of strawberry. Ooh, it's going everywhere. It's good. So I picked up this Lotso sherbet bar, just from one of the ice cream carts in the park. Oh, it's like really sweet. It's like strawberry flavoured, but it's like really strong, really sweet. Oh my god, look at my hair. Can I tell what the middle bit is? I'm not sure. I think it's all strawberry. It's nice though. It's very sweet, but it's very refreshing. Very sugary. Got a Mickey waffle from the little like cart here that's on Main Street, and it comes with mixed berries, maple syrup and whipped cream, which is melting fast because it's really hot. And they got like this little covered seating area here as well, so I'm just sat here eating my Mickey waffle.